In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the upload date and time of a YouTube video. If you've ever needed to confirm when a video was published, whether for research, news verification, or simply to see how current the content is, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to look and how to reveal the precise details. First, open the YouTube video you want to check. Make sure you're on the video's watch page, not just a preview or an embedded player. Once the video is open, keep your attention just below the video title. In that area, you'll see useful information like the view count, and right next to it, the upload date. This is the simplest place to confirm when the video went live. It's a small line of text, but it's the official timestamp provided by YouTube. If you want more detail, like the full written date and sometimes the exact time, expand the description. To do that, click the Show More button underneath the initial lines of the video description. Expanding this section reveals additional information supplied by the creator, and it's also where YouTube displays the full publication date in a more explicit format. This is especially helpful if you need the precise date for citation or record keeping. Here's a quick tip that's easy to miss. On older videos, YouTube may display the upload information as something like 3 years ago instead of a specific date. That relative label can be fine for a quick glance, but if you need the exact day the video was posted, click Show More. Expanding the description converts that relative label into an exact date, so there's no ambiguity. If you don't immediately see the Show More option, scroll just a little below the description preview. It sits right beneath the first few lines. On some devices, it might appear as a small arrow or a More link, but the idea is the same. Expand the description to reveal the full details. Once expanded, take a moment to note the format used for the date, and if a time is shown, remember that the display can reflect how YouTube formats dates in your region. And that's all you need. Open the video, check under the title for the upload date next to the view count, and expand the description with Show More to see the full date and time when available. With these steps, you'll always know exactly when a video was uploaded.